Sarvebhyah Namo Namaha. Namaste to all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Vidyachetana Samskrutham. Today we are learning about Linga and Vachana in Sanskrit. Linga is gender and Vachana is number. In Sanskrit, there are three genders, that is, there are three lingaha, and in Sanskrit, there are three numbers, that is, three vachanani. So, in this first video, I will give a brief introduction about these three genders and three numbers. So, first we will start with the gender in Sanskrit, that is, linga in Sanskrit. In Sanskrit, there are three genders as I told before. The first gender is Pullinga, that is masculine, and the second gender is Strilinga, that is feminine, and the third gender is Napumsakalinga, that is neuter. So these are the three gender. So as we are knowing the meaning of these words masculine, feminine and neuter. So according to our mindset, living and non-living is important to identify these three gender in other languages. But in Sanskrit, living or non-living is not important to identify the gender, but the Shabda Prakar of the word is important. So for knowing this Shabda Prakar meaning, you have to go to the previous video, that is Varna Krida. Shabda Prakar concept is explained in that is identifying the ending letter of a word. So ending letter of a word is important to know the gender in Sanskrit. In Pullinga, the words will end with a letter. Balakaha, Shukaha, Gajaha. So these are the few examples. There are few more words which can end with different letters as well. That is Harihi, so which is ending with E letter, and Guruhu, so which is ending with U letter. So this way the ending letter is important to identify the gender in Sanskrit. Balakaha is boy, so which is masculine word, but Shukaha is parrot. Is it easy to identify whether the parrot is masculine or feminine? No, but in Sanskrit Shukaha it is considered as Pullinga because the ending letter is aha here. Gajaha, elephant. Elephant is Pullinga word in Sanskrit because it is again ending with a letter. The same way Harihi and Guruhu, teacher. So these are Pullinga words in Sanskrit. And the Strilinga words list is here. Lata, Balika, Geeta, Nadi. So look at these words. These words are ending with Dirgha Swaraha. That is Lata, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Balika is also ending with A letter. Geeta is ending with A letter. Nadi, the next example, the last example, it is ending with E letter. So these are the examples for Strilinga. And the next gender, Napumsakalinga. So Napumsakalinga words generally ends with letter. So examples: Pushpam, Phalam, vanam, pustakam. So these are the few examples for Napumsakalinga. So all these words, if you observe, are ending with letter. So this is the list of Napumsakalinga words. So these are few examples to identify three genders in Sanskrit. And very important one concept I want to tell here, all these words are in singular form. So these ending letter rule which I am explaining here, it is applicable only in singular form. And the next concept, it is Vachana concept. Vachana means number. So as I told before, in Sanskrit there are three Vachanani. The first one, Ekavachan. So second one, Dvivachan. And the third one, Bahuvachan. You can also tell Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam to these words. So Ekavachana, according to the word, Eka means which is one in a number. So here one object, one person, one place will be considered as Ekavachanam words. And in a Dvivachana, Dvi means which is a two. So here two objects, two persons and two places. So will come in Dvivachana. And Bahu which is many. So many, it is 2 plus. So it can be 3 or more than 3. So 3 or more than 3 will come in Bahuvachana. So it is more than 2 objects, more than 2 people and more than 2 places. So all these comes in Bahuvachana. So this is how there are 3 Vachanani in Sanskrit. In coming videos, we are going to learn each Vachana words in each gender. So that I will explain in the coming video. So this is the introduction video of Linga and Vachana. So please subscribe to our channel for upcoming Sanskrit videos. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.